Students, welcome to Anjana's class. Students, today we are going to deal with the multiple choice questions from your class 12th English book Flamingo, and today's topic is a poem written by John Keats, and the title of the poem is A Thing of Beauty. So let's begin with the multiple choice question from this poem. Students, question number 1. What kind of poet was John Keats? A. Realistic, B. Religious, C. Medieval, D. Romantic. And the correct answer for this question is D. A romantic poet. John Keats was a romantic poet. Question number 2. What is the poet of A Thing of Beauty? अ थिंग ऑफ ब्यूटी जो ये पोएम है, इसके पोएट का नाम क्या है? ए. जॉन डन, बी. विलियम ब्लैक्स, सी. विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ, डी. जॉन कीट्स. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. जॉन कीट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. फ्रॉम वेयर हैज़ दिस पोएम अ थिंग ऑफ ब्यूटी बीन टेकन? ये पोएम है अ थिंग ऑफ ब्यूटी, इसको कहाँ से लिया गया है? A. From Keats' work Endymion, a poetic romance. B. Ode to Nightingale. C. Ode on Melancholy. D. Ode on Indolence. And the correct answer is A. From Keats' work Endymion, a poetic romance. Question number 4. Who is Endymion? And our options are a worker, B. an office boy, C. a young child, D. a young shepherd. And the correct answer is D. a young shepherd. एक युवा गडरिया. Question number 5. Where did the poet and Endymion live? Poet और Endymion कहाँ रहते थे? A. in a hut, B. on a hill, C. in a tree, D. on Mount Latmos. And the correct answer is D. on Mount Latmos. Question number 6. Whom did the enchanted youth resolve to seek? Whom did the enchanted youth resolve to seek? A. God, B. Nature, C. Mentor, D. Cynthia, the moon goddess. And the correct answer is Cynthia, the moon goddess. Question number 7. What are the things of beauty mentioned in the poem? इस पोएम में कौन कौन सी खूबसूरत चीज़ें बताई गई हैं? A. sun and moon, B. young trees and streams, C. flowers, D. all of these. And the correct answer is D. all of these. Question number 8. Which things cause suffering to human beings? किस चीज़ की वजह से लोगों को पीड़ा होती है? A. lack of virtues and inhuman acts, B. withering flowers, C. blooming flowers, D. flowing streams. And the correct answer is A. lack of virtues and inhuman acts. Question number 9. What does Endymion do to see goddess? एंडीमियन ने गॉडेस से मिलने के लिए क्या कहा, क्या किया? A. dances, B. sings songs, C. reads scriptures, D. wanders through forest. And the correct answer is D. wanders through forest. Question number 10. How is a thing of beauty joy forever? सुंदरता शाश्वत आनंद कैसे है? A. because it is beautiful, B. because it is nature, C. because it is joyful, D. because its beauty never ends and leaves a lasting impact. And the correct answer is D. because its beauty never ends and leaves a lasting impact. Question number 11. What is the message of the poem? पोएम से हमें क्या मैसेज मिलता है? A. Beauty never fades, B. Beauty lifts spirits high, C. Beauty is a joy forever, D. all these. And the correct answer is D. all these. Question number 12. What does a thing of beauty do for us? A. Gives hope. B. Gives happiness. C. Removes pain and suffering. D. All these. And the correct answer is D. All these. यानी जो हमको खूबसूरती है वो क्या करती है, हमें खूबसूरती क्या देती है? पहला, गिव्स होप, गिव्स हैप्पीनेस एंड रिमूव्स पेन एंड सफरिंग. ये तीनों चीज़ें हमें मिलती हैं. Question number 13. What is the endless fountain and what is its effect? A. Moving streams. B. Sunlight. C. A thing of beauty is endless fountain and it gives happiness. D. None. And the correct answer is C. A thing of beauty is endless fountain and it gives happiness. Question number 14. What does a thing of beauty is a joy forever mean? A. Joy is in memory. B. Joy is precious. C. Joy is not sold. D. It will keep giving happiness for a longer time. And the correct answer is D. It will keep giving happiness for a longer time. Question number 15. What is beauty in Keats' opinion? A. Suffering. B. A cause of suffering. C. A cause of pain. D. A joy forever. Answer D. A joy forever. Question number 16. What is the concept of beauty? A. Beauty is a pleasure. B. Beauty is cause of all happiness. C. Beauty is nothing. D. A quality which always gives happiness. And the correct answer is D. The concept of beauty is that beauty is a quality that always gives happiness. Question number 17. Do we experience thing of beauty only for a short time? A. Yes, they are short-lived. B. Yes, beauty is a temporary thing. C. It never lasts forever. D. No, they make a lasting impression of happiness. And the correct answer is D. No, they make a lasting impression of happiness. Question number 18. Who said that a thing of beauty is a joy forever? A. John Millet. B. Christopher. C. A young shepherd. D. John Keats. And the correct answer is D. John Keats. How does a thing of beauty provide shelter and comfort? A. By giving a sense of joy and happiness. B. By removing pain and suffering. C. Like a bower. And D. All these. And the correct answer is D. Question number 20. Whose loveliness will keep on increasing? A. Of rivers. B. Of mountains. C. Of nature. D. Of all beautiful things. And the correct answer is D. Of all beautiful things. Question number 21. Write the phrase which means it is immortal. It means A. It will never fade. B. It will never pass into nothingness. C. It will never cease. D. It will keep giving happiness for a longer time. And the answer is B. It will never pass into nothingness. B. What a bower? A river. B. A stream. C. A big tree. D. A shady tree. And the correct answer is D. A shady tree. Question number 23. Why do we need sweet dreams, health and quiet breathing? And our options are A. To have a healthy mind and body. B. To have sound sleep. C. To have peace and happiness. And D. All these. And the correct answer is D. All these. Question number 24. What are mighty dead in the poem? A. Dead people. D. Dead relatives. C. Dead plants. D. Dead respect-worthy ancestors, especially dead emperors. And the correct answer is D. Great respect-worthy ancestors, especially dead emperors. Question number 25. What is the endless fountain of immortal drink? A. Rivers, B. Flowing streams, C. Sunlight, and D. All the things of beauty. And the correct answer is D. All the things of beauty. Students, इसका जो इसमें ऑप्शंस है इनको आप करेक्ट कर लीजिए, A, B, C, D, and the correct answer is D. What does brink mean? A rooftop, B a rocky space, C mountain top, D an edge at the top, and the correct answer is D. What does immortal mean? Immortal का क्या अर्थ है? A ever flowing, B evergreen, C forever beautiful, D never ending or endless, and the correct answer is D never ending or endless. It means शाश्वत. Question number 28. What image does the poet use to convey that beauty is everlasting? A. A bower quiet for us. B. Some shape of beauty. C. Endless fountain of joy. D. Sprouting a shady boon. And the correct answer is C. Endless fountain of joy. Question number 29. What is the effect of immortal drink? A. No one is thirsty. B. Everyone is happy. C. Immense joy and happiness. D. Beauty never moves away. And the correct answer is immense joy and happiness. That is C. Question number 30. Pick the words from the poem which mean stories and magnificence. And the correct answer is A. Tales and grandeur. B. Old and young. C. Green world and clear rills, and D. Sweet dreams and health. And the correct answer is A. Tales and grandeur. Question number 31. What removes pal from our life? A. Dark spirits. B. Trees old and young. C. All the unhealthy things. D. Nature's beauty. And the correct answer is D. Nature's beauty. Question number 32. What is the meaning of gloomy? Gloomy means दुखी होना. A. All the unhealthy things. B. Dark spirits. C. Dull and depressive. And D. None. And the correct answer is C. Question number 33. How does beauty help us when we are grief stricken? हम जब बहुत दुखी होते हैं तो ब्यूटी हमारी मदद कैसे करती है? A. By giving a ray of hope. B. Sprouting a shady boon. C. By giving daffodils. D. None. And the correct answer is A. By giving a ray of hope. Question number 34. What does poet mean by some shape of beauty? Options are A. Beauty has no shape. B. Beauty is abstract. C. Beautiful object that gives happiness. D. All. And the correct answer is C. Beautiful object that gives happiness. Question number 35. Which figure of speech is used in the word some shape of beauty? Some shape of beauty. तो इसके ऑप्शंस हैं A. alliteration, B. simile, C. metaphor, D. all. And the correct answer is C. metaphor. Question number 36. Why are our spirits referred as dark? A. Because of dark clouds. B. Because of spirits around. C. Because of shady trees. D. Because of sadness and disappointments. And the correct answer is D. Because of sadness and disappointments. Question number 37. What does morrow mean? A. Morning time. B. Present time. D. C. Noon time. D. The next day. And the correct answer is D. The next day. Question number 38. Why do we need a flowery band? A. To look beautiful. B. To smile. C. To be joyful. D. To have strength and joy in spite of all sadness. And the correct answer is D. To have strength and joy spite of all sadness. Students, we come to the question number 39, which is the second last question of this poem. What is inhuman in life? A. Human inside a river. B. Human inside caves. C. Human on trees. D. Self-centered tendency and inability to rise above shallow circles. And the correct answer is D. Question number 40. What circumstances make man unhappy? A. Chilly cold waves on mountains. B. Moisture of flowing rivers. C. Crowded places. D. Tendency of hopelessness. And the correct answer is D. Tendency of hopelessness. Students, here are these 40 questions, 40 MCQs from John Keats' poem A Thing of Beauty. Do write them in your notebook and learn them. Thank you very much.